Many modern cars have a sync button on the climate control panel, but very often drivers don't know what it does. Because of that, the button is rarely used or not used at all. If your car has a sync button and you're not using it, this video is for you. It's a simple feature, but it can make driving more comfortable. Let's get started. Sync stands for synchronization. When sync is off, the driver and passenger temperatures are controlled separately. Now I change the temperature on the driver's side. You can see only left side changes. The passenger side stays the same. Now adjusting the temperature on the passenger side. Only the right side changes. Each zone is controlled independently. Now the sync button is pressed. The temperature are synchronized. This makes climate control easier and more convenient. If your car has it, try using it. Subscribe if you want more clear, simple videos like this, and like the video if it helped you.